Several organizations representing deficit schools and colleges in Meghalaya have opposed the Meghalaya Non-Government School and Colleges Employees Centralized Fund Scheme 2026 and urged the state government to act in line with the existing legal provisions while protecting the interests of teachers and non-teaching staff, especially retirees facing financial constraints. Addressing the media on Tuesday, KJDSTA President Boswell Pala said the associations had welcomed the Chief Minister's 1st April announcement on a unified pension scheme acknowledging the contribution of teachers. However, he noted that serious concerns had been raised over the 2026 scheme, which following detailed consultations was rejected by multiple bodies with formal objections already submitted to the government. He stated that the present scheme differs significantly from the 2023 draft that had been widely deliberated upon and placed before the court. He further alleged that despite stiff opposition and the matter being sub judice, the government has initiated steps to roll out the schemes, including issuing directives to serving and retired employees to open PRAN accounts under the new framework. Boswell Pala cautioned that such moves would effectively compel stakeholders to come under the new scheme, potentially impacting their pension entitlements. He maintained that existing laws clearly demarcate pension coverage based on the date of appointment, with employees appointed prior to April 2010 governed by the 1969 Provident Fund Act, while those appointed thereafter fall under the National Pension System. He asserted that the 2026 scheme fails to uphold this key legal distinction.
Was put up in the internet and views were sought on it sometime in January, February of this year. We, the members of the various associations and stakeholders, after discussing threadbare the set pension scheme of 2026 that was circulated on this public platform, we had unanimously rejected the same scheme of 2026, and we have also sent our objections and rejections to the Education Department. Further, despite our unanimous rejections submitted to the government through our different associations as stakeholders, the government has sadly gone ahead with the process of implementation of the rejected scheme, the scheme of 2026. As per the government's intent of forcefully implementing the pension scheme of 2026, contrary to the matter being sub judice in court, the Education Department, through a letter, has issued a notification recently instructing and directing stakeholders, the members of the teaching and non-teaching staff in schools and colleges, both retired and currently serving, to open our individual PRAN accounts. That an early draft pension scheme of 2023 had been circulated, and it was thoroughly discussed, and it was mutually agreed upon and approved also by the government and the stakeholders as per the record of the court. There are many orders of the court that pertain to this. This pension scheme of 2023 is not the same as the recently announced notified scheme of 2026. It is completely different. Secondly, may I state that we, the stakeholders, those appointed before April 2010, have in all good faith and intention signed our consent, and accordingly we have transferred our provident funds as per the government's instruction to the Central Provident Fund account in SBI Lydenkrah branch. We expected during that transfer a just retirement benefit, which is mandated by the Act. Again, the Act of 1969. This retirement benefit would be in the form of the draft pension scheme of 2023. Important to note here that our members of the teaching and non-teaching staff in Meghalaya have been divided into two categories by the court, also by the government, acknowledged by the government. Teachers who were appointed before April 2010 would come under the CPF scheme under the Meghalaya Provident Fund Act of 1969. And those who were appointed from April 2010 onwards would come under the NPS. In fact, the office memorandum through a notification was sent to schools and colleges to implement this NPS sometime in 2024. But till now, nothing has happened.